Well, for some reason my door operator remote stopped working. I have an overhead door legacy model. To reset it, I have to get up there and press the learn button, and then it should be blinking the LED. I hit the button on my remote, and then I hit it again. And when I hit it the first time, the LED should go solid, and the second time it should go out. So we'll see if this actually works. And here is my handy dandy LED, and let's see if we can get this thing to work. Hopefully I can reach it. Okay. So, oh, don't fall. Okay, there it is. All right, there it is. And there it is. And it should be programmed now. Okay, let's try it now that I got it programmed. And it works. Dun, 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 dun.